Have you ever wondered how two talented actors can star in films that barely make a splash? Before diving into the intriguing world of Ana de Armas and Keanu Reeves, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Uh, in Hollywood, uh, Keanu Reeves is a beloved figure, known not just for his roles, but for his kindness. He has successfully transformed the action genre with the iconic John Wick series, which has captivated audiences and spawned multiple films and a spin-off. Now, the spotlight is shifting to Ballerina, a new film set in the John Wick universe, where Ana de Armas takes the lead, while Reeves is expected to make an appearance. Uh, this film marks a significant collaboration between the two actors. Interestingly, they previously worked together in Knock Knock and Exposed, but those films didn't quite hit the mark. What went wrong with these earlier projects? In Knock Knock, directed by Eli Roth, Reeves plays Evan Weber, an architect who finds himself home alone. Two mysterious women, played by De Armas and Lorenza Izzo, show up during a storm, seeking help. What starts as a simple request spirals into chaos as they charm and then torment Evan, leading to dire consequences. Exposed, on the other hand, features Reeves as Detective Scott Gelbin, investigating the death of his partner. The story intertwines with de Armas's character Isabel, who claims to see angels and befriends a troubled young woman. Um, Initially, the two plots seem disconnected, but they converge in unexpected ways and both films, while intriguing, faced significant challenges. And Knock Knock struggled with an inconsistent narrative and tone, attempting to blend horror with satire, but ultimately falling flat. Critics noted its theatricality and lack of depth, leading to a disappointing box office return of about $6.3 million against a $10 million budget. Um, uh, its point about Boy Maddox and the break, uh, it, it, originally envisioned as a bilingual drama addressing serious social issues, it was misinterpreted by studio executives as just another cop drama. This led to creative conflicts, resulting in the director distancing himself from the final product. The film grossed a mere $270,000 and received poor reviews, with critics finding it dull, despite acknowledging the performances. Both Knock Knock and Exposed had potential, but were hindered by their execution. If they were released today with de Armas's rising star power, perhaps they would have fared better. As we look forward to Ballerina, let's hope this collaboration brings the success that both actors deserve. After all, if they can survive those earlier flops, they can surely dance their way to victory this time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,